11 organ systems make up a single human organism. An organ system is a group of organs working together to complete common functions. Organ systems are interconnected and cannot function independently from one another. In this video, we will explore 6 of these systems: the nervous system, muscular system, digestive, circulatory, respiratory, and finally the excretory system. Let's begin with the nervous system. The nervous system gathers information from the world around us and decides how our body should respond. The brain is made up of around 86 billion neurons, cells built to transmit electrical signals. All information is first sent to the brain. Here, the information is processed, and then the brain tells the body how to respond. The spinal cord acts like a superhighway, carrying signals from the brain to the rest of the body. Branching throughout the body stretches the nerves to ensure every cell can remain in constant communication. Sensory organs gather information for the brain to process. The eyes detect light waves, turning them into vivid color and shape. The ears detect sound waves. The nose and tongue are chemical detectors able to identify thousands of unique smells and tastes. And the skin is covered in millions of tiny sensors that detect pressure, texture, and temperature. The functioning of all other human organ systems rely on information processing in the nervous system. Making up nearly 40% of body weight is the muscular system. With over 600 muscles made up of long, thin cells with the ability to contract, the muscular system allows for movement. Some muscles, like those in the arms and legs, work when told to. Others, like the heart, beat tirelessly on their own. Blood circulation, breathing, and food digestion all require the movement of muscles. In the digestive system, chemicals usable by the body are extracted from food and released into the blood. From the moment one takes a bite of food, proteins in saliva begin breaking down food chemically, while the teeth and tongue begin mechanically breaking food into smaller pieces. In the stomach, chemicals continue to break down food, and the stomach churns to further mash food into a slurry. By the time it reaches the intestines from the stomach, food is ready for the final chemical reactions that break it down into biomolecules usable by the body for energy and growth. Remaining solid material is released from the body as waste. Energy from food is used by all of the other body systems. Nutrients extracted from the digestive system, along with oxygen provided by the respiratory system, are transported by the circulatory system, a vast network of tubes called vessels that spread through the body. The heart, made almost entirely of muscle, pumps blood through more than 60,000 miles of vessels. Blood is a tissue made up primarily of red blood cells that carry oxygen, white blood cells that fight disease, and platelets that can heal wounds in the case of injury. Blood travels through 3 types of vessels. Arteries carry blood from the heart to the rest of the body. Veins return blood to the heart, and capillaries are microscopic vessels that spread through every micrometer of the body. These blood vessels deliver oxygen, remove waste, and carry hormones and nutrients to every living cell. With every breath, the respiratory system draws in fresh oxygen into the lungs and releases carbon dioxide. It's the diaphragm, a powerful muscle just beneath the lungs, that makes this all possible. As the diaphragm contracts, it expands the lungs, drawing in air, and as the diaphragm relaxes, gases are released. Of course, every system produces waste, and that's where the excretory system comes in. The kidneys act like sophisticated filters, cleaning the blood nearly 50 times a day, removing toxins and keeping the body's chemistry perfectly balanced. From there, liquid waste exits through the bladder as urine. This has been a look at just 6 of the 11 organ systems that make up a single human. While unique in their function, these organ systems are closely interconnected and could not function independently of one another. Together they work as a team to support human life. For more videos just like this, subscribe to the channel and spend a few minutes learning about something new in our amazing universe.